This is our pre-K class, and this is our parent board, and on our parent board the teachers post their lesson plan, their newsletter, their teacher bio, and their class roster, and their daily schedule. This is the art center. The children have the opportunity to make free art, and they have time to draw and paint, and they also have planned art activities that the teachers do with them. This is the language center. This is the Montessori movable alphabet. We use Montessori for our language curriculum. These are our pink boxes, and we use a multi-sensory approach with Montessori. So these are our sound sets. Our first sound set is MASTP. So they're learning short vowel sounds and consonants. And they have sandpaper letters that go along with them and objects to match beginning sounds. This is the Insta-Learn board. It's another thing that we use for language to teach them self-correcting. So each piece fits in like a puzzle. So when they're trying to figure out these rhyming words beginning sounds, if it doesn't fit, then they know that it's not the right piece. And we have a variety of multi-sensory language activities. They learn how to sound out words before they can write. This is our handwriting and fine motor center. So this is a Montessori method of fine motor skills, the metal insets. They're learning their pincher grasp, and they will also trace with the colored pencils. We use handwriting without tears as our handwriting curriculum. This is how handwriting without tears starts with Matman. So they learn big lines, little lines, and little curves and big curves. And it's a multi-sensory way to teach handwriting so that it's a concrete concept to them and not just abstract. This is a documentation panel because we use Reggio along with Montessori. So the teacher will document the progress throughout a unit and have it up on display for parents to be part of that learning process. This is a provocation station, which is also a Reggio practice. The teacher will put an invitation to create, and it will give the children an opportunity to work individually on a lesson. This is Practical Life Center. It's placed towards the front of the classroom so that it's inviting for children. This is the wet Practical Life Works and the dry Practical Life Works. It teaches fine motor skills, transferring from left to right, scooping, pouring, shoe tying, stirring, and other variety of practical life skills, and beginning reading skills. This is the Culture and Geography Center. Through 3 years, we go through 7 continents. The teachers will place maps and charts and different artifacts on the shelves, as well as different things from different parents' cultures. And we bring in different books and exciting things for the kids to do. This is the Math Center. For math, we use primarily Montessori math. We have the beads, the golden beads, and the short bead stair to teach different place value and counting and addition skills. We also change what's on the shelves throughout the different units to make the themes more exciting and fun with different counters. We have an Insta-Learn board for math as well, and it's the same concept. It's self-correcting for addition and patterns and different math skills. And then we also have a variety of measuring and adding and sensorial activities. This is the Science Center. So in science, we study life science, biology, chemistry, and a lot of different science skills, and we place them on the shelves for them to learn throughout the year, but we also have science experiments and times for them to observe and document their own experiments. This is the Block and Manipulative Center. We have manipulatives here, and these are also full of different blocks and manipulatives. We have the unit blocks here, and down there are people and vehicles and animals and different props to go along with blocks so that they can build a sizable structure and work together for different block creations. This is our circle time area. We go through, in pre-K, we go through 30 sight words. We use whole language in combination with phonics. They will do calendar and months of the years and do different songs in Spanish and weather. They'll learn how to count to 100 by ones, fives, and tens, and to 50 by twos. This is the sensorial area. So this is just learning different spatial awareness, geometry, and skills like that. And then this is some more sensorial activities, puzzles, color grading, size grading, and shapes. This is the reading center, and it's also the area where children go if they have conflict. They'll come and they'll get the peace rose and they'll say, Johnny, I really didn't like it when you were mean to me the other day and you pulled my hair. And then Johnny would take the rose and he would say, I'm sorry, Susie. I won't pull your hair next time. Do you forgive me? And then Susie will take the rose and she'll say, yes, I forgive you. Let's be friends again. And then they put the rose back. And they know that when they can't only talk when they have the rose. So it gives them a safe space to talk. This is the dramatic play center. So the children have dress-up things, and they have a kitchen where they can believe that they're playing house, and they have their babies so they can pretend to be a parent or an older sibling, and cleaning items. Then over here they have the market for their grocery store so they can buy things, and they have the dollhouse over here, and then they have the hair salon over here. The teachers will change the things in dramatic play throughout the school year based on the different themes.